Subjects like NSTP are relevant and important because they really help the less fortunate people, like the people in the squatters or in the province. Uh, why did I choose NSTP as my why did I choose my AC Watch as my NSTP course? Uh, Kasi ito yung course na which really help people, like painting walls or murals or giving them food, feeding them. Describe activities. The activities na ginawa namin, we went to Bataan at the Adamson School, and we teach children and feed them, and we paint the walls to make them look new, so the kids will see na maayos yung school nila. I'm proud na na-accomplish ko yung mga ginawa ko as an NSTP student, kasi because the children that we have appreciate it, and they know that we did it for them. So, na-accomplish ko naman. What is the most important thing I've learned? The most important thing I learned in all of my fieldwork is teamwork. Di kaya na mag-isa ka lang. You need help with someone. So yeah. After LSTP, I learned to help others, not just the less fortunate, but other people. Classmates ko, even the teachers in their work pag nahirapan sila. And kailangan talagang teamwork. Hindi mo kaya lahat pag nag-iisa ka lang.